Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable video noise reduction on NVIDIA RTX 4090. To do it, you need to right click on the desktop and go to NVIDIA Control Panel. Then you can, under the video section, go to adjust video image settings, and you can find noise reduction. You can set it to use the NVIDIA setting, then change the value yourself and then apply it, and I recommend testing it out on some videos to see if that value works good for you. Remember to apply before closing the app, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.